Students, when we enter the worksite to carry out work, what are the basic requirements? Can we recognize all the signs at site? Let's learn together. Let's look at the basic requirements for on-site work. The workers must be certified by a doctor to have no medical conditions that interfere with work. Physical examination at least once every 2 years. Physical condition and mental state should be good. Have the necessary electrical knowledge and professional skills, and according to the nature of the work, be familiar with the State-Grid Corporation of China Electric Power Safety Work Regulations, related parts, and pass the exam. Have the necessary safety production knowledge, learn emergency first aid, especially learn electric shock first aid. Be familiar with the standardized operation guide, and pass on-the-job training and examination. The work site's production conditions and safety facilities should meet relevant standards and specifications. The worker's personal protective equipment should be qualified and complete. There should always be someone at the workplace and in vehicles with a first aid kit and containing first aid supplies. A designated person should regularly check and replenish or replace items. During on-site work, prevent entering high-voltage live areas, regardless whether the equipment is live or not. Workers are strictly prohibited from crossing safety barriers, must not remove or cross the barriers alone. During on-site work, observe the surroundings in advance, emergency escape routine signs, and fire escape routes, etc. Do not engage in work unrelated to the task. Next, let's look at the identification of signs. Think about the signs. What are they and where are they applied? Do not switch on someone is working. Once switched on, power will be supplied. The construction equipment, breaker, and isolating switch on the operating handle. White background, red circular slash, black prohibition symbol, 2 sides, 200 multiply 116, and 18 multiply 16.5. Do not switch on line. Someone is working line breaker. And isolating switch, white background, red circular slash, black prohibition symbol, 2 sides, 200 multiply 116, and 18 multiply 16.5. Do not switch off the grounding switch between the grounding switch and the maintenance equipment, breaker, on the operating handle. Right background, red circular slash, black prohibition symbol, size 200 multiply 116, and 18 multiply 16.5. Work here. Work location, or on the maintenance equipment. Stop, high voltage danger, near the construction site. Live equipment on the barrier. At the outdoor work site. On the fence. Prohibited passage. On the passage. High voltage test site. On the outdoor framework. Near the work site. Live equipment on the beam. White background. Black. equilateral triangle and symbol. Yellow background. 300 multiply 214 and 200 multiply 116. This is mainly placed on well-stopped lead to go up and down aerial frames and ladders. Green background with a diameter of 200 mm. White circle. Enter and exit from here. At the entrance and exit of outdoor work sites. On the fence, green background with a diameter of 200 mm. White circle. Use this for up and down. High voltage distribution device. On the ladder of the framework. Transformers, reactors, etc. On the ladder of the equipment. White background. Red circular slash. Black prohibition symbol. Size 500 multiply 400 and 200 multiply 116. Let's summarize this lesson, including two parts. 1. The basic requirements for on-site work. Requirements for workers. Requirements for the work site. 2. On-site scenes. Prohibition signs. 5 tabs. Permissive signs. 3 tabs. That's all for this session. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.